AKINSOFT WOLVOX 8 Excel transfer transactions. You may want to enter some of your data in bulk in the first installation of the program, or you may want to update your records in ERP in bulk. For this, you can use the Excel transfer feature in our WOLVOX 8 ERP program. With the Excel transfer feature, you can enter certain data in bulk. For the transfer process to be carried out smoothly, we recommend that you take a backup and shouldn't be a user connected to the system, as you will be performing a bulk operation. For performing the Excel transfer process, open the Excel transfer list in the ERP program from the Other Processes menu. This list contains data that you can bulk process. Let's do one example for import client from Excel. On the screen that opens, there are data that you can transfer for the client definition. These data will differ for each Excel transfer type. To start the transfer process, first select the Excel file path. If the first row of your Excel file contains titles, check the first row contains titles option. You can make the necessary settings for the transfer from these fields. Mark the fields to be imported from the transfer column, then select which column the relevant fields are in from the Excel column. When you are sure of your selections, click the Transfer Data button. The transfer process will be completed.